Hey guys, I just received this inflatable. I think it's like a dinosaur and it's for 2 people. It's a costume. So me and my friend are gonna be trying this. I'm gonna show you everything that comes inside. So this is the inflator that fills it up. This is where the batteries are, and you need 4 AA batteries. And then it's the costume itself in here. And then my friend just brought the manual. There's also pictures to help you. So now we're going to set it up. What is it? Oh, it's a horse, and we're gonna try it.
Put it on now.
We just got it in. All you did is just take off the screw, put it through the hole, and then we put the screw back on. And then she put the battery pack after plugging it in into her pocket. And then now you just like put it on. Yeah, I'm kind of scared. Okay, I'll speed this part up. We have to put it on because the air is just coming out from here.
Maybe I should, wait, hold on, maybe I should put this in the other pocket.
We're such dummies, bro.
Oh wait, no, I had it on the right side. Oh my gosh. Hold on, I need to put this on the other side again.
Get up, I'm dead.
Hold on, let me get it.
Okay.
Hold on. Wait, did your feet go like out of the thing?
It goes in here. And then put your crop back on.
Hold on. And then cinch it up.
Yeah. Make sure it's really tight, though.
Okay. I know. Okay, scoot back. Scoot back. Don't come back. Here.
Yay! It's falling off.
Look in the camera. Still running around.
Wait. Okay, guys, we have it on. This is how it looks when you jump from the beginning to the camera. We gotta show the feet. Yay! I love it. I love this. Okay, guys. If you're looking for a 2-person costume, then I would definitely recommend getting it. Okay, let's go.